Welcome back to CNC tutorial series. Today in this session, we will demonstrate the entire process of spindle taper lubrication, why it's vital, how it works, and how to keep your system running at peak condition. Spindle taper lubrication uses a lubricated oil mist supplied with air, delivered right to the spindle nose during each tool change. The important component here is the spindle taper lubricator unit, known as the FRL unit. It consists of three main stages: the filter, the regulator, and the lubricator. Stage 1 is the air filter bowl. Its job is to remove solid particles. As compressed air enters, a baffle causes it to swirl, separating heavier particles in water which settle at the bottom. Before removing the filter bowl to clean, depressurize the pneumatic line. Remember, regular maintenance is key. Drain any collected water often to prevent overflow. Some filters even have auto-drain mechanisms. Clean and mount the filter and ensure it is in straight line to the mark. The second stage is the pressure regulator bowl with gauge. It keeps the air pressure steady downstream no matter the input fluctuations. A diaphragm spring mechanism inside adjusts airflow, maintaining the desired pressure. The gauge shows the actual output pressure, and the top knob lets you fine-tune it. Look for labels like regulator or pressure regulator with gauge on this component. Third stage is the lubricator bowl, where oil mist is mixed to outgoing air for spindle taper lubrication. It works on Venturi principle, wherein it takes energy from inlet pressure and creates pressure difference. Oil droplets converted into mist due to pressurized air and mixes with air. Let's go through how to fill the lubricator with oil. Shut off the incoming airflow to the FRL unit. Depressurize the line completely. Depressurize the oil bowl by rotating the screw in anti-clockwise direction. Pull down the locking clip and rotate the bowl to the left. Fill with spin 12 oil supplied along with the machine up to the maximum level indicated. Pull down the clip, insert the bowl carefully, and rotate the bowl towards right side for proper locking. Turn the screw in clockwise direction till it resumes original position. Open the shut valve slowly till set pressure is reached. Observe for any air leakages from the bowl and ensure safety. Here's a simple check. Press tool declamp push button and unclamp the tool holder. You can see oil on it. This indicates your lubrication is working. If FRL oil isn't refilled on time, spindle taper rusts, causing tool run out and damage. Always check your FRL oil level at least once a week for maximum performance and minimal downtime. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more CNC tips.